Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best 3M hand masker blade is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional painter looking to achieve clean, crisp lines and protect surfaces from paint drips and overspray, making your projects look polished and professional with minimal effort. Number 5. 3M Hand Masker Preloaded Dispenser Kit. Get ready for your next painting, texturing, or finishing project. This tool is perfect for preparing surfaces efficiently. Tired of slow prep work? This dispenser applies tape and film in one smooth motion, saving you valuable time. It's designed to work seamlessly with various masking films, plastics, and painter's tapes you already use. Experience a significant speed boost. It's up to 5 times faster than traditional paper and poly methods. This dispenser is compact and lightweight, featuring an easy grip handle for comfortable use during long jobs. Your kit comes with everything you need to get started: the dispenser, a film blade, tape, and masking film. Join the ranks of professional painters who trust this brand for their masking film needs. What we like. This kit is designed for speed and efficiency. It applies tape and film in one go, making your painting prep work significantly faster. If you're a professional painter or a DIYer tackling large projects and want to cut down on prep time, this is the tool for you. What people say. The very first thing you need to do when you get this product is to remove the plastic blade guard. It literally and easily just tears away. If you don't remove it, you'll have a very difficult time making any clean or square cuts. This device sure makes it go much faster and is much less frustrating. With proper understanding and practice, this tool is actually a breeze to use and enjoyable when you compare it to the ordinary mess of willy-nilly hanging plastic with tape and scissors. The films are strong. You do need to tape the other 3 edges down. The cut-off knife takes a little getting used to. Once you get the hang of it, everything is cool. Number 4. 3M Hand Masker Advanced Masking Film AMF 72-8C. Introducing the 3M Hand Masker Advanced Masking Film. It offers superior protection for both indoor and outdoor projects, ensuring a clean finish every time. Its innovative static cling feature keeps the film securely in place, even in windy conditions or when using spray equipment. This means no more shifting or repositioning. Designed to prevent liquids from bleeding through, this film ensures your surfaces remain pristine. Say goodbye to accidental stains and drips. The film layers feature a hassle-free fold, preventing them from getting caught in tape during application. This makes your masking process smoother and more efficient. Enjoy durable, flake-resistant performance. This film is built to last, providing reliable coverage throughout your project. Available in multiple sizes, it's designed for use with the 3M Hand Masker tool and various Scotch tapes. This makes it a versatile and convenient choice for any painting or masking task. What we like. This advanced masking film offers superior adhesion and protection. The static cling keeps it perfectly in place, even with spray equipment or in windy conditions, and it prevents any liquids from bleeding through. If you need reliable, mess-free coverage for indoor or outdoor projects, especially those involving spray applications, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This make my life 10x easier. I cut it to size using a utility knife, then just unfold whatever I need, no more tucking plastic. This plastic is twice as fast compared to a traditional roll of plastic and can save me from 30 to 80 minutes a day, and that saves me money from paying my 2 employees $20 an hour. We were able to prep 3 large apartments for spray painting in record time. Easier and faster than any other method I've tried. Number 3. 3M Scotch Blue Painter's Tape Value Pack. Introducing the Scotch Blue Painter's Tape Value Pack. Get professional results for your painting projects with this convenient multi-pack. This value pack comes with 6 rolls of tape, ensuring you have plenty on hand for any job, big or small. Each roll measures 0.94 inches wide and 60 yards long. This generous size provides ample coverage for masking off areas. Designed for ease of use, it applies smoothly and adheres well to surfaces. Achieve clean paint lines every time. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter, this tape is your go-to for crisp, sharp edges. Protect your surfaces and achieve a flawless finish. From 3M, a brand known for innovation and quality. You can rely on this tape for consistent performance and excellent results. What we like. This is a straightforward value pack of high-quality painter's tape. It offers a good quantity and size for general masking needs. If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills tape for your painting projects and want a cost-effective solution, this multi-pack is a solid option. What people say. I've rarely gotten a bleed, and it's usually because of the surface not being perfectly smooth, and someone using too much paint right at where the tape is. Installs easily and is flexible for those imperfect walls. There is no paint bleed, which gives you clean lines once removed, requiring little to no cleanup or touch-up. That's what I use the tape for, to mark containers for the freezers. Any other tape does not stick. Plus, easy to remove to leave any sticky on the containers before washing. Number 2. Trimaco 12-inch masking film and paper cutoff blade. Introducing the Trimaco 12-inch cutoff blade, designed for precision and ease. This tool is essential for any project requiring clean cuts on masking materials. It effortlessly cuts rolls of masking film and paper up to 12 inches wide. Say goodbye to jagged edges and uneven lines. This blade is a perfect replacement for QM5000 Pro and QM2500 blades. Enjoy a seamless upgrade to your existing tools. Designed to attach securely to your hand masker, it ensures stability during use. This allows for controlled and accurate cutting every time. With its sharp edge, it provides a clean cut through masking film and paper. Please exercise caution as the blade is sharp and avoid contact with the cutting edge. Measuring 12 inches, it offers versatility for various masking needs. It's the ideal solution for achieving professional results on your projects. What we like. This is a specialized cutoff blade designed for specific masking tools. It's meant to cleanly cut masking film and paper from 12-inch rolls. If you already own a compatible hand masker and need a replacement blade or want to ensure clean cuts on your film and paper, this is the part you need. What people say. Good cutoff blades. Lasts a long time and cuts clean. Makes easy work of once tedious masking. Very sharp. Number 1. 3M Hand Masker Masking Plastic MPL12. Introducing the 3M Hand Masker Masking Plastic, your ultimate solution for protecting surfaces. It's designed to make your painting projects cleaner and easier. Don't worry about the elements. This masking plastic is completely waterproof, unaffected by rain, dew, or wash water, ensuring your surfaces stay dry and protected. Say goodbye to messy paint lines. Unlike masking paper, it prevents paint bleed-through, giving you crisp, clean edges every time. Spend less time cleaning and more time painting. Its paint flake-resistant surface minimizes messy cleanup, making your job much simpler. Wrapping it around objects is a breeze. Its conformable nature allows it to easily wrap around various shapes, providing a secure fit. Get more done with each roll. It offers twice the coverage compared to standard masking paper rolls, providing excellent value. Join the pros who trust this brand. It's the #1 trusted brand of masking film by professional painters for a reason. What we like. This masking plastic offers excellent protection against liquids and paint bleed-through. It's waterproof and easy to wrap around various objects, minimizing mess and cleanup. If you're working on projects where moisture is a concern or need to protect irregularly shaped items, this conformable plastic is ideal. What people say. It's my go-to masking material for most jobs, since it's plastic but rolls out and tapes more like paper. I was able to tape and spray an entire 2-car garage including all the rails, doors, hardware, etc. with a single roll. Works great for masking odd-shaped parts and pieces as the paper will adhere without falling like most masking papers. Does not bleed paint or flake as bad as most papers either. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.